throw my.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Ritstar. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video we are going to be trying out Swiss Beauty products. Now I'm going to be doing my entire face of makeup using this box full of Swiss Beauty products that I have with me. Now Swiss Beauty is an affordable range and very popular, I must say. I have heard and seen a lot of videos on YouTube where YouTubers and everybody is talking about Swiss Beauty, and it's really, there's a fuss around this. So I want to try out and see whether this fuss is real or it's just like any other inexpensive makeup brand. So that's what we're going to try out today in front of the camera, and if you're interested then please keep watching, and if you enjoy this video then don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free completely. It will not cost you anything, but it will help me grow my channel, so please consider that. And yes, let's get into the video. So to start off, I have already moisturized my skin with this Neutrogena moisturizer, and I have also pulled my hair back into a ponytail because I don't want foundation to get on my hair. Now we're going to start off with this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. So this is supposed to brighten your skin, modify pores, moisturize. So I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it on my face. It does feel moisturizing, and on top of that it has added a sort of glow like effect. I don't see any pore minimizing effect, but it has definitely sort of added that tacky feeling to my face and also added that glow, but I wouldn't recommend this for minimizing your pores. Next, I'm going to be using this high coverage waterproof base foundation. This is in the shade Natural Nude. I'm going to take, let's start with 2 pumps. It has a medium coverage, not full coverage but medium. It hasn't done anything to hide the darkness and all. My acne scars are still sort of visible, but we can, I think, build this up. It might look a bit cakey, but I do have concealers following after this, so let's see. It also gives a sort of natural finish to your skin. It's not too matte. I don't like matte foundations on my skin. It also like got absorbed into my skin pretty quickly, I would say. So I have 2 concealers out here. This is the liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty in the shade 02 and 03. This is 02 and this is 03. First, I'm using the shade that is a little darker for my skin tone, so that will hide my dark circles well. This concealer is also very glowy and it blends like a dream. My base looks pretty good. It looks glowy. It's sort of covered every scar and everything that I had, and I think it looks really nice. Next, I'm going to take the lighter shade. This is the 02 and I'm going to highlight the high points of my face. To set everything, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Primer and Mattifying Setting Powder. This also comes with a little poof. Let me use this. To be very honest, I hate setting under my eyes with a powder. It sort of, emphasizes the dryness around my eyes. But this is a mattifying powder and I had to try it out, so I've put it. I'm sure this is going to be very helpful for people who have oily skin, but for me it's a bit drying, but we are going to work with that. Otherwise it's nicely milled, like a good loose powder, so you can always try it out. Next, moving on to blush and contour. I have this Ultra Professional palette from Swiss Beauty. This has a blush, contour powder and a highlighter, and then there are 6 shades of eyeshadows. So let's start with the contour here. I'm going to dip it lightly. Okay, it's a little bit patchy, as you can see. It's sort of a reddish brown, which I really don't prefer for my contour. I like a more toppy brown. The contour does blend out nicely, but it's, as I said, the color is a bit off for me. If you like red tone browns, which I don't, for contouring, then this is a good product. In the starting, when you're dipping your brush and putting it on your cheeks, just be careful because it might look a bit patchy, but you can always blend it out. I'm next going to take this blush. It's really pigmented. Oh my god. Okay, next for highlighter. Let me first use a liquid highlighter, then I'll use a powder highlighter. So I have this liquid highlighter from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade 02 Gold. I'm taking a little bit of it on my hand, and with my finger I'm just gonna dab it on. The highlighter is really pigmented and beautiful. It's giving a very nice glow to my face. I really love the highlighter. I love how it's giving such a nice glow to my face, as you can see, and it really blends in easily as well. It's not chunky, it looks nice and smooth, so I really like it. I also have the Swiss Beauty Blushing of Love Baked Blusher. This is more of a highlighter than a blusher, I would say. If you see the colors inside, you'll understand. I'm going to use this shade as my powder highlighter. As you can see, my face is glowing so much. You can spot me like from a mile away, I think. If you're into like really in your face glowy blingy highlighter, then this is it for you. This is again known as the Blushing of Love Baked Highlighter. Actually, baked blusher. I don't know why it's called a blusher because it's definitely not a blusher. I'm not sure if Swiss Beauty has an eyebrow product, but I forgot to get one. So I'm going to use this palette to do my eyebrows as well. I'm going to use this brown. I don't know how it's going to look, but let's try. This is a little bit reddish for my eyebrows, but I think we can manage with that. So I got two of this 9-pan eyeshadows from Swiss Beauty. These are really popular. I have seen, I don't know, lots of videos on this. So this is the shade 02 and this is the shade 05. These retail for 229 rupees. I'm sure you'll get it at a lower price. I'm going to list everything down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out if you're interested in buying any of them. And which one should we do today? Let me mix both of them or see. I really love this eyeshadow palette. It's really pigmented and extremely smooth. You can see it has blended like a dream on my eyes. These are very buttery and pigmented, as I mentioned, and also I think they have 6 to 8 variants in this eyeshadow range. I have 2 of them, as you guys saw, but there are I think 4, 6 or 8 more. I'm not sure exactly how many there are, but I'm sure you will get the kind of shades you are looking for. And also the price for 230 rupees, I mean it's mentioned 229 rupees here, but I'm sure you'll get it on sale at on Purple or Nykaa somewhere. Next I have the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadows with me. These are very popular and they are basically duped for the Stila liquid eyeshadows. I have them in 3 shades. This is Champagne 03, Molten Midnight 06 and Diamond Dust 02. So I'm going to try out Diamond Dust on my lids today. I should have maybe done a cut crease first, but this also looks good. I put it on my eyeshadow and it's still so pigmented that you can see it clearly. These are really like a very good dupe of Stila liquid eyeshadows. They cost a lot, but these are only for rupees 199, so it's an amazing deal. I really like this product. And next I'm going to put on some liner. This is the Swiss Beauty Jet Black Bold Felt Tip Eyeliner. So I'm going to try this out now. It has a very thin tip. This is a total bomb eyeliner. It's so smooth. It almost feels like you're putting velvet on your eyelids. It glides down very smoothly. It's very pigmented. It's intensely black, as you can see. I'm not sure if this is matte or not. Let it dry down, we'll find out. But it's really jet black, as it claims. And the tip, it really helped, like it's so thin, it really helped me draw my wings so precisely. So far I'm really loving this brand and its products. So next we're going to try out the gel eyeliner, and it was very stupid of me because I just realized that the gel eyeliner is also an eyebrow product. So this is basically the eyebrow and gel eyeliner 2-in-1. So that's the reason I might have missed it, because I did order the eyebrow product. Anyways, this would have been too black for me. So this is the eyebrow product. This is in a powdery form. Let me swatch that for you. And then when you open this up, you get the gel eyeliner. Okay, this is a very cute packaging. The rose gold and the glass, it really looks classy, and it doesn't look like it comes from an affordable brand. So since I've already done my eyebrows, I'm just going to do use this eyeliner as my kajal. The eyeliner is quite black and smooth, and this is the swatch of it. I just hope it doesn't smudge and stays on my eyes for a long time. So next I have the Swiss Beauty Snapshot Ready Lash Look Mascara. This is also in a very cute rose gold packaging, and this is how the wand looks. The mascara is okay. It did its job. It did add some length and volume to my lashes. It also separated my lashes. I'm not super impressed with it, but it's okay. It did its job. For its price, I think it's good. The next thing I have is the Makeup Fixer Natural. This is the Swiss Beauty basically makeup fixing spray, and this is also sort of raved about. So I'm excited to try this one as well. Says that it's very long lasting, and also it comes with aloe vera and vitamin E. So let's try this out. Firstly, it has a very strong alcoholic smell to it, and by mistake it landed on my lips, and my lips are burning right now. I'm not sure what is inside this, but so this area is sort of burning slightly. I'm sure it's gonna settle down in a while. The moment you spray it, that smell will go into your nostrils, and I don't know, it just made me feel very nauseous. I'm not a fan of this product, I would say. Okay, so for lipstick I have 3 different options. I have the non-transfer waterproof lipstick. This is in the shade Bare. Then I have the Swiss Beauty soft matte lip cream. This is in the shade Paris Fashion. And then lastly, I have the Swiss Beauty matte liquid lipstick, Color Stay Ultra Smooth. This is in the shade Coffee. So I'm just going to swatch all three for you. This is the non-transfer waterproof lipstick in the shade Bare. This is the soft matte lip cream in Paris Fashion. And this is the matte liquid lipstick in the shade Coffee. So for this look, I think I'm going to go in with the shade Bare from the non-transfer waterproof lipstick range. Such a pretty color this is. It's a nude pink. I'm in love with this color. Okay, now that I'm done with my makeup, let's talk about the products that I just used and the favorites out of them. So the first favorite I have here is the liquid concealers. They are really good. They give a sort of a nice hydrating effect under your eyes. They also have a medium coverage, so I really like them, and both the shades sort of match my skin tone. It doesn't look off shade, so I'm really happy and impressed with them. Second thing I have is the liquid highlighter. Well, this is like amazing. If you're looking for a budget liquid highlighter, then definitely go for this one. It gives a very nice subtle natural finish of a highlighter to your face, and they have other shades as well. This is in the shade Gold, as I mentioned, and I really liked it. The other two favorites of mine is this eyeshadow range. It's amazing. These eyeshadows are buttery, they are pigmented, and they're very easy to blend. So if you're looking for some nice eyeshadows, definitely invest in these ones. Okay, the next favorite that I have is the liquid eyeshadows from Swiss Beauty. As I said, they are exact dupes for Stila ones, and Stila ones really cost a bomb, but these are really affordable. These are for 199 rupees, and they are very pigmented, very nice, glittery. So if you're looking to add something glam to your everyday eyeshadow look, then definitely try these ones. The next favorite that I have is this eyeliner. This is such a good eyeliner. The felt tip is very precise, so it will help you draw a good, nice pointed wing. Also, the formula is very smooth. It feels velvety when you're drawing it on your eyes, and I generally don't use such felt tip liners because I don't like the intensity of it, but this is intense. This is jet black, so definitely try this out. I'm also looking forward to using this in future more. And the last thing I have is this lipstick. This is the non-transfer waterproof lipstick in the shade Bare, the one I have on my lips right now. And oh my god, it's a creamy bullet lipstick, but it settles into a matte finish. It's completely transfer proof. I can't believe this. And the shade is also very beautiful. It's also pigmented and smooth. My lips don't feel dry at all. Definitely try this one out. So those were all of my favorite products out of Swiss Beauty. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. I see the sparks you throw.